So I am Ahmad Abou Tayoun. I'm a clinical molecular geneticist by training. I am a director of genomic diagnostics from Jalila Children's Specialty Hospital, Dubai. Variant interpretation is a multi-layered problem, but it is really essential for clinical laboratories to master the interpretation of variants that are identified in clinical labs, because misclassification of variants can have really detrimental consequences on the patients. For example, misclassifying a variant in breast cancer gene like BRCA1 can lead to unnecessary mastectomy. And similarly, misclassification of a variant in an epilepsy gene can also lead to prescribing the wrong anti-epileptic drug. And there are also many examples where misclassifying variants during pregnancy can lead to unnecessary termination of that pregnancy. And so clinical labs have to really master this process, and they have to be well aware and comfortable with all the evidence types that should be incorporated into classifying variants. And this includes understanding of the population genetics and how to use information from control databases to understand whether a certain variant is common in the population, given its disease prevalence and mode of inheritance, and what we know about penetrance and expressivity for this disease or gene. The lab should also be comfortable with concepts in molecular genetics and human genetics, and whether certain variants can have effects on the protein or the transcript level. In addition, they should be well aware and comfortable with functional data and how to look at segregation data and allelic data in order to appropriately use this data towards the variant classification. Once all this information about any variant is assembled, the lab has to put it all in the context of the patient presentation and come up with a final classification that will be put on the clinical report for that patient.